The Beaumont Health Director tells KFDM News word that the flu is linked to more than a dozen deaths in southeast Texas is prompting a large number of people to get the flu vaccine. The flu is linked to at least 13 deaths in the Houston region, which includes Beaumont. The health director says 2 people in Beaumont died of the flu or flu-related illness and is suspected in the deaths of 3 other people. KFDM's Haley BullThe reports many who have not had or received the flu vaccine find themselves in emergency rooms for treatment of more serious problems linked to the flu.
Flu shots. They're keeping healthcare workers busy.
Everybody's catching the flu. I don't want them to catch the flu. I don't want them to get sick.
And families pouring into the Beaumont Public Health Department. Ruby Williams is making sure her grandchildren are protected, including 15-year-old Chatara Williams.
Yeah, I don't want to get sick over Christmas break and have to stay in the house all day.
One family of many visiting the health department.
We are indeed seeing an increase in the numbers of people coming in for their flu shots, and we're excited about that. We are excited about that.
The shot is one of the most effective ways to prevent the flu or limit the impact. The flu is now spreading across Texas.
I have received information that in one of our hospitals here in Beaumont that there are more patients. They're seeing about 100 patients a day coming in with influenza-like illness.
And seeking help at emergency rooms, including here at Baptist Hospital. Kathy Demerit is a physician's assistant. She sees many of the patients.
In the past week, we've had record numbers almost every day, seeing up to almost 300 patients. I think our top number was 294 patients in 24 hours.
A lot of people is coming up with the flu, and I just don't want none of us to get sick.
Ruby Williams is trying to prevent her family from joining the growing crowd of flu patients in emergency rooms. In Beaumont, Haley BullThe, KFDM 6 News.
Now, if you're feeling ill, how do you know it's time to go to the ER? Well, the health director says it's time to seek emergency treatment if you're experiencing shortness of breath, pressure in your chest, or skin discoloration, in addition to fever, chills, or other flu-like symptoms.